India Today is the only channel which is on the line of control in area which is mostly snow covered. We are here on the line of control, in fact on 0 point. Just on other side of me is the fence, which is the main prevention for the infiltration on line of control here in Jammu and Kashmir. In fact, there is more than 750-kilometer long line of control between India and Pakistan, and during the summer months, due to the high alertness of the Indian Army, most of the infiltration bids were prevented or foiled. But now there are apprehensions and the inputs with the army that during winter months these infiltrations could took place. Basically on the other side, just few meters away, there are the Pakistani army ports, and in fact believed the launching pads of the infiltrators. That is why during these winter months, when it is snowing everywhere on the line of control, mostly on the upper reaches, on the heights, the vigil of the Indian Army is on its highest alert. In fact, to foil or prevent any kind of infiltration on the line of control. Talking about the area, this is not only the story of this particular sector, but most of the sector are snowbound during the winters. In fact, at many places and most places, due to the heavy snowfall, in fact the fence gets completely buried under snow, and that makes it easy for the infiltrators to cross the fence over the snow and make these kind of attempts. In fact, during last many years, we have seen that now the most of the infiltration took place during the winter months, when it is snowing, when it is low visibility, and when the fence which is on the line of control gets covered under snow. With Rauf Ahmed Ashrafani for India Today, on LOC Nouri.